In this video, I'm going to show you how to add phone number to your Facebook account. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook app and here tap Add menu icon. Then scroll down for a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. Next, on Account section, hit on Personal Information and then tap on Contact Info. Here you can find your phone number and your email if you associated that data with your Facebook account, and here you can find Add Phone Number link, so you can tap on that, and in here you can tap at that field and just enter your phone number, then tap on Continue, then confirm your number, and after that new number will be attached to your Facebook profile. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.